So, hello students, today in this class I am going to do the questions of exercise 16.2, area and perimeter of quadrilaterals. In the previous class I have explained the formulae of area and perimeter of quadrilaterals. So, see here, all of you open your book. Exercise 16.2, we will begin from question number 1. Now question number 1, here you can see, find the area of quadrilateral whose one diagonal is 20 centimeter long and perpendicular to this diagonal from the other vertices are of length 9 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So here one diagonal is given and on this diagonal perpendiculars from the remaining two vertices are given. So what is the formula? So formula is area equals to 1 upon 2 into one diagonal. This formula I have explained in the previous class, into sum of perpendiculars drawn from remaining vertices on this diagonal. So you can see here what is the length of one diagonal. It is given, you can see 20 centimeter long and length of perpendiculars are given 9 and 15. So this is 20 multiplied by 9 plus 15. So when you will simplify, this is equals to 10. So 10 into 24, that is 240. And what is the area of, unit of area? So it is centimeter square here. Why it is centimeter square? Because the lengths are given in centimeter. Now you can see the second part of this question. In the second part it is given that a quadrilateral whose diagonals are 18 and 12 and they are intersecting each other at right angle. So what is the formula of area of quadrilateral whose diagonals are intersecting perpendicularly? So it is 1 upon 2 into product of diagonals. In that case, formula becomes 1 upon 2 product of diagonals. So what is the second part? You can see here, area equals to 1 upon 2 d1 into d2. So here one diagonal is given, how much? 18 and other is given 12. So 2 9 ja, that is 12 9 ja 108 centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrilateral. Now you can see the second question. All of you open your book and see the second question in that. Question number 2, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD such that here AB, BC, CD, AD is given and angle A is given 90 degree. Angle A is given 90 degree. So first you draw the quadrilateral in such a way that one angle is 90 degree and that angle you name as A. It is clear? Now then B, here suppose this is this, C and this we have taken D. It's clear, like this. Now you write down the lengths. So AB is given 40 meter, BC is 28, CD is 15, and AD equals to 9. You have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So what will you do? We will first split this quadrilateral into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. And here which diagonal you will draw? You will draw this BD. Now see here, how will you find area of triangle ABD? ABD. So if you see triangle ABD, it is a right angle triangle. And what is the area of right angle triangle? 1/2 into product of sides containing right angle. 1/2 product of sides containing right angle means what will be the area of this? I am just explaining. 1/2 product of sides containing right angle, 40 into 9. So this is 20. So this is equals to 180 meter square. Now you have to find the area of this triangle, triangle BCD. Now if you see here in triangle BCD, two sides are known. This third side is not known. Third side BD is not known. That you can find by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABD, from Pythagoras theorem. When you will apply Pythagoras theorem, then it states that 90 degree के सामने वाली side का square, it is equal to the sum of squares of sides containing right angle. That is BD square will be equal to 40 square plus 9 square. When you will simplify it, is 1600 plus 81. That is equals to 1681. So what is BD? BD equals to square root 1681. That is equals to 41 centimeter. Means this is equals to 41 meter. 41 meter. Now by using Heron's formula, we can find area of triangle BCD. By using Heron's formula, we can find area of triangle BCD. You can see here area of triangle BCD. Here you take A equals to 41 meter, B equals to 28 meter, and C equals to 15 meter. Now find out 2S. 2S is what? Perimeter. So what will be 2S? It is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is 41 plus 28 plus 15. So it is equals to 10, 1, 14. Then 2 to 4, perhaps it is 84. So what is S here? S equals to 42 meter. Now what is the formula? Heron's formula. Area equals to within square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now you substitute the values. So I will substitute the value directly. You can see here. You can write the intermediary steps. S is what? 42. Then S minus A. S minus A, 42 minus 41, that is equals to 1. Then S minus B, 42 minus 28. 42 minus 28 is 14. Into S minus C, so 42 minus 15. So 42 minus 15, it will be perhaps 27. This is 7, 5, 12, 1, 2, 1, 3, yes, it is 27. Now, how will you find out its square root? So we will not multiply all the numbers. In place of finding the product of this and then finding a square root by division method, what will you do? You prime factorize them in the prime numbers. So, see here, what will be the factors of this? This is 2 into 3 into 7. Then factors of 14, 2 into 7. Then factors of 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Now you write down them in the power form. 2 is coming how many times? 2 is times. So it is 2 square into 3 is coming 4 times. 3 to the power 4, 7 to the power 2. When you will take the square root, powers will become half. Powers will become half means 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 1. Now simplify 2 into 9 into 7. So 63 into 2, that is 126 meter square. So what will be the area of quadrilateral? 180 plus 126. 180 plus 126, that you can find. If you find out here, I am finding here, this is 6, 8 to 10, 1, this is 306 meter square. This will be the area of quadrilateral. So this is question number 2. Perhaps question number 3 is also of the same pattern. In that also you will split the quadrilateral into 2 triangles and find out the area. So you can see here, now see here, question number 3, I will just draw the diagram. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD, angle BCA equals to 90 degree. BCA, this is B, this is C, this is A. This angle is of 90 degree. And triangle and ACD is an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter. Here this is equilateral triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal. A will be joined with B. This. It's clear. This is the diagram. ACD is an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter, means this is a equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter, means this is 12, this is 12 and this is 12. It's clear. And AB is given 13. AB is given 13. You have to find the area. So here also we will do the same thing. Find out the area of right angle triangle and then area of equilateral triangle. What will be the area of right angle triangle? So first you have to find this side. By using Pythagoras theorem you can find this side. What will be this side? That will be 5. It's clear that I am not explaining. So what will be the area of right angle triangle? 1 upon 2 into product of sides containing right angle, that is equals to 30 centimeter square. Then you have to find area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle will be root 3 upon 4 into side square. So root 3 upon 4, and what is each side? 12 into 12. So 4 3 ja, that is 36 root 3 centimeter square. This you can convert in decimal. How can you convert? Because the value of root 3 36 into 1.732. So this will come out in decimal. Add this and this, you will get the area of quadrilateral. So in this way you can do the question number 3. Now I am going to do question number 4. Question number 4, you can see, find the area of quadrilateral in which angle B equals to 90 degrees. So this is also of same type, question number 2, like question number 2, so that I am not doing. Now you have to find the perimeter of rectangular cardboard is 96 centimeter. Question number 5, perimeter of rectangular cardboard is given 96 centimeter. And its breadth is given 18 centimeter. Find the length and area of cardboard. So this question is also very simple. What is the formula of perimeter? So formula of perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. 2 times of L plus B equals to 96. So what will be L plus B? L plus B will be equal to 96 upon 2, 48 centimeter. Now here B is given 18. So L plus B is 48, B equals to 18, therefore L equals to 48 minus B. 48 minus 18, that is equals to 30 centimeter. So length is this. So what will be the area? Area equals to L into B. That is equals to 30 into B is given 18. 540 centimeter square. This. Now see the question number 6. The length of a rectangular hall is 5